Hey there, and welcome to our video on electric vehicle maintenance. If you own an electric car or are thinking about buying one, then it's important to know how to keep it in good working condition. In this video, we will discuss the 10 best methods to maintain your electric vehicle and keep it running smoothly. One of the most important things to keep in mind when maintaining your electric vehicle is to keep your battery charged. Always make sure your battery is fully charged before heading out on a long trip. Additionally, try not to let the battery drain completely, as this can cause damage over time. Electric cars are still relatively new, and manufacturers have specific maintenance schedules that should be followed. This includes regular oil changes, tire rotations, and other routine maintenance. By following these schedules, you can ensure your electric vehicle stays in good working condition. It's important to keep your electric car's tires properly inflated to ensure optimal performance and range. Check your tire pressure regularly and adjust as needed. Properly inflated tires can also improve handling and reduce the risk of blowouts. Although electric cars use regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery, the traditional brakes still play a role in stopping the vehicle. Make sure your brake pads are in good condition and replace them when needed. This will help prevent damage to your vehicle's brake system and ensure your safety while driving. Electric cars don't require traditional fluids like gasoline, but they still have other fluids that need to be checked regularly. This includes brake fluid, coolant, and windshield washer fluid. By checking these levels regularly, you can avoid potential issues down the road. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate in your electric car's charging cables and ports. This can cause charging issues, so it's important to keep them clean. Use a soft cloth and a cleaning solution to gently wipe down your cables and ports. Extreme temperatures can have a negative impact on your electric vehicle's battery life. Try to avoid extreme temperatures whenever possible, and if you must park your car outside, consider using a car cover to protect it from the elements. Your driving habits can also impact your electric vehicle's performance and range. Avoid sudden accelerations and hard braking, as these actions can drain the battery quickly. Instead, try to drive smoothly and at a consistent speed. Keeping your electric vehicle clean not only makes it look good, but it can also help maintain its performance. Regularly wash your car and keep the interior clean to prevent any potential issues from occurring. If you're not using your electric car for an extended period of time, it's important to store it properly. Keep it in a cool, dry place with a fully charged battery, and consider using a battery tender to keep the battery in good working condition. And there you have it, folks, the 10 best methods to maintain your electric vehicle. By following these tips, you can keep your electric car in good working condition and ensure it runs smoothly for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.